Hey fellas, we have the Makita tool DTM52, and this one is working like harder and sometimes stopping. Okay, basically we have not a lot of CC here, and we have the controller, but we have the motor here, and maybe, just maybe, we can open this one and get to the motor, and maybe we'll try how the motor spins. We have the spring ring here, and yeah, it's gear has to tighten it, so maybe let's try to remove the screws and check. Maybe we can remove the motor. So basically this AC here is just working in a plastic housing, if I understand it good. And okay, what's now if I want to remove it? Okay. Yeah, got it filled out. Of course, we have a lot of dust here, and I can feel some resistance. On this one, of course, I don't know, maybe the resistance is here from the gear housing. It's just strange that this one is